Hello friends, GKW32 automatic Sims peeling machine. Today I'm in Tamil Nadu, so just I want to show you this machine. You can see here data is fixed for easy peel. You can see here all the data. So that they are putting Sims on the conveyor, but tail should be out from the conveyor. You can see the black line on the conveyor, this black line, and tail should be out from the conveyor because this machine is catching the Sims by the tail only. You can see here, and that is going down for the peeling. I will show you this side. See, after peeling, you can see here, after peeling you can see the final product. This is easy peel. This product is easy peel very well, and this machine performance is very good.